Not if we work together. We'll show them side by side what we can do. Today in the shop we've got some LED driving lights from Auxbeam. We're going to take a look at them. See what our thoughts are. Got some stickers. Okay, so the nice thing about one of these kits is they come with everything you really need. I mean, right down to the little Allen wrenches and tools. The instructions are actually quite simple to follow. It tells you everything you need to know about installing these. Comes with the wiring harness, adjustable mounts, the amber options for the lenses, which is probably what I'm going to end up with, the tools to install the hardware itself to mount the lights. Comes with a nice sticker. It's actually reflective like your caution stickers would be. So I'm definitely going to be able to see that. And what I am installing is the tube kit. If you have a roll bar or a push bumper to install these lights on a round bar, if you don't have a flat surface, you can certainly mount these using their tubing kit. Instructions are pretty simple and straightforward. Shows you step by step, 1, 2, 3, 4. A special video with these lights today. You probably saw it, but now you can see what the amber lenses would do to it. Kind of give you best of both. You could run one of each. Just wanted to do something different, but it's simple as just changing out the lenses. You're not committed. You don't have to buy just ambers or just clears. You can do both, and then you can switch and swap them back out. You may find that you like one more than the other. I hope I like the amber. That's what I want, but I think the white is really, really nice. Really nice. Once I get my seat set up, this buggy is far from finished. Once I get my seat and my true head height, if I can take these lights and roll them down and then flip the bracket around, I will bring the lights underneath. And the reason that is if I hit a limb and comes across, I don't want that to get caught on the lights. But for right now, in mock-up stage, I am thoroughly impressed, y'all. So here we have our Odyssey set up. It's as dark as we can get it today. Let's try them out. Hooked to a 12-volt source. Everything's pre-wired for you. When you turn the switch on, it blinds your camera. It's just that simple. That is a whole lot of light. I can't even look at it, and that's just hooked up to 12 volts. I mean, it's nothing you can't do. It really is just that simple. It's 2 wires. The switch is pre-wired, the relay's pre-wired, the fuse is pre-wired. It's already got a fuse in it. You don't have to do anything. It's as plug and play as it can possibly be, and it will blind you. Look at that. I hope the camera does it justice, because that really is a ton of light. That's what you want from your lighting. You want your lighting to illuminate the entire area as far out as it will possibly go. You want to have a good field of view, left and right, up and down, and as much distance as you can get. Even with the lights on in the shop, they're that bright. So it's wow, it's a lot. I am really impressed. And my shop's pretty bright, but if you look at that wall, you can still see the beam that those lights are projecting. I run my hand in front of it. And that's with LED lights in the shop, y'all. I have a ton of light in the shop, and those will still blind you. Okay. Well, that's my review. It's a positive review. I am really impressed. Auxbeam, item number ZD 0067.